Okay, so welcome back to the channel, guys. Not not to it's been a while since I've been back, so as you can see what's going on in front of me. So the idea that I had with these two, it's not necessarily that it's not gonna work. It's just right now, times is hard. I don't got the bread, I don't got the funds. So we've reverted to this situation. I drilled a hole and I'm now currently digging out the insides, whatever's in there, and basically trying to get the rest of the stuff out. So what you see is this white stuff. I drilled a hole, and should be working. I'll give you guys an update in a bit. Okay, you can see the stuff in there, whatever that stuff is. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Touch the other end of that. As you can see, it's got it out in there. Let's crush up the rest of the stuff inside. And now, just in case this doesn't work, I do have the backup one here, which is smaller, and it has all the stuff inside, but you can still see through there, you know? Very small amount, but you can still see through there. This one should be just a straight pipe after I'm done with it. I know you're all saying, why not just cut that one open? Well, this one's already welded up and bolted up. All I gotta do is put the two bolts back in there, and the O2 sensors and everything's already hooked back up. I could plug those back in, trick it to thinking everything should be running right. At least that's the plan. So I'm gonna put it back on and give you guys the update.